3/31, end of month. End of month. End of quarter. Beginning of month tomorrow. Jobs report, Friday. Lots of things happening. Are the banks better? Don't know. Goldman Sachs just took off. Are the banks better? Goldman Sachs just popped. Lam Research just popped more. Interesting, interesting. Do we get a rally of epic proportions? Do we make a ton of money? Do you manage your account? So let's start today with Tesla. Tesla, and talk a little bit about inflection points because people just don't understand. GS offers crypto to wealthy clients, just announced. Okay, thank you, Scott. So trading is about trading around numbers. So Derek has been with me for a long time. He left for a while, he struggled. And it doesn't matter what you know. It doesn't matter what your chart says. It only matters what numbers Sam gives you, okay? The numbers are ridiculously precise. Yesterday, Tesla, we had 591 and went to what, 591.20 or something like that. And then it reversed up. Upside, we have 656. It may go to 656 and drop 30. Or it may get through. So if you're looking to buy or sell stuff, let's say you have calls. If it gets near 656, you say, Sam says this can either go through and run 20, or it can drop 20. I don't want it to drop 20. I have profit. I'm going to sell it. That's up to you. Maybe Mrs. Derek, I don't know Mrs. Derek trades, will say, but I'm going to hold it. And it goes through and she makes a lot of money. Now let's say you don't have a position and it looks like it's going to go, so you go buy it. Do you buy it at 656? Do you buy it at 654? Or do you buy it at 660? Do you wait for it to go through? If you wait for it to go through, then odds are if it gets through, it's going to really rip. But you're paying $2 or $3 more for the option. That's a problem. You make less money, it costs you more. But you have better odds. Just like yesterday. Somebody posted, why did you buy a Tesla 591? Puts, because if it gets through, that position goes to $50. You got a $50 winner. But it didn't get through. It can go either way. So all these clowns buying stuff at other points, Sam buys think about all the stuff Sam buys. Sam buys something, and within 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, it jumps 3 points or 4 points. And everybody's, oh my God, it went up so much. Because it's at the inflection point. It either gets through or it drops hard. So either you're going to make a lot or you're going to be down right away. You have to decide how you want to trade. The numbers are the numbers. Write them down. They're God-like numbers. Okay? Interesting, interesting, interesting. SPX, was it up 5? That puts it 20. Is it back? Yeah, it's up 6. 2963, 2964, 2972, 2981. Hold on, what's this? 517,000 payrolls. I think it was 600,000, what they're looking for Friday. Don't know. Some people are calling for 1 million. I do know is if we get 1 million, you're going to get the most insane rally of like Airbnb and stuff like that, the reopening stocks. Okay? Okay? So then we see and then we see. Okay? SPX, do we pop? 2982, 4009, underneath 2931, 2900. GME trying to bust. Watch this one. This one's intriguing. Anything through 209 gets to 232. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Worthless, worthless, worthless. Don't sniff it till 352 minimum. 356 accelerator. Underneath 291. Lam Research. How far does this go? This bad boy wants to get to 600. Let's see if it can get there today. Let's see if they spike it and they run it into tomorrow. Interesting, interesting. NVIDIA needs 530, 533, 536 to get better. Underneath, 209. Underneath, 509. Shop, just a little bit better. 1072, 1109. Underneath, 991. Roku, little bit better. 321, 333. Wow, 333, way up there. Downside, 291. Boeing. Alaska Air to buy 23 MAX jets from Boeing. I thought it was 9, buying 9 with an option to buy 16 more, something like that. We'll see, I don't know. But they got another sale. That's the positive. 256, 261, 266 is a huge beast number. Can it get there? Don't know. 249 on the downside. Goldman Sachs, 336. The number yesterday, 336. Got to 335.9-ish. And what happened? It dropped 6. Dropped 7. If it gets through, it really runs. So if I'm going to buy this, I know all these chart people don't get it, and that's okay. You can do what you want to do. Everybody does what they want to do. You buy this right before, if you think it's going to go through, or you sell it at the number, one or the other. That's called inflection points. Interesting, interesting. TTD, underneath 591, 552, through 672 gets a little bit better. Baidu's continuing to act a little better, 231, 236, underneath 200 bad. QS needs 66. Wow. Sam, you're nuts. Yeah, that's why I'm not doing nothing with it. Airbnb is a play on the jobs report for Monday, if you like it. Okay, if you like it. Underneath 171, 203 runs it. Twilio a little bit better, starting to get a little bit better. Got all the way down to 209, 309. You got 309, 301. 336. Amazon, a little bit better, needs 3,100 to start moving. Anything at all, just completely garbage, worthless stock for now. If you buy Amazon, Amazon's one you can buy and go on vacation all week and not look at it, and it's going to do nothing. It just does nothing. Okay, then we see, and then we see. Facebook. The news is stunning today on Facebook. It should be at 296. Then we see, and then we see. Then we see. 292.50 is interesting. It opened at $1.20. They're going to be higher than that. And then we see. If the market collapses and the sell comes, it won't make it. Okay? So then we see. Google. 2072, 2100. Snow needs 244. Tesla needs 656. So once again, if you're going to buy Tesla, you can buy it near. You can buy it here; it's cheaper. You can buy it near 650, 655, 656, and it's going to cost you double. And if it breaks, you're going to make a 3x. And if it doesn't break, you're going to lose it. That's called inflection points. Get smarter. Buy and sell at inflection points, you become great. Very, very straightforward. Very, very straightforward. Then we see, and then we see. Okay, comments, question. India to offer $1 billion to semi-manufacturers who set up shop there. $1 billion. Wow. What's the Facebook news? Facebook news is Brazil enabled the monetary exchange, so becoming like a PayPal. You can send money through WhatsApp. Okay. 652 is hard. 656 accelerator. Teladoc warming back up. Interesting. Alaska Air to buy things. We talked about that. EV credit in the new bill proposal says Tesla will start with 200,000 sold vehicles again and get 400,000 more cars for $7,500 credits. So I don't understand. So does that mean the next will start from $200,000, 200,000 sold. Don't understand what you're saying. Does the next 400,000 cars that Tesla sells get a credit, or does the next 100, or the next, who knows? Interesting. Miguel is putting in an area. 636, 641 area. Don't understand. Pfizer vaccine protective to 11 to 15-year-olds. Interesting. Very nice. Yes, next 400,000 cars get credits. A little bit better. Except if Tesla raises the price $7,500, it's not like you get anything. Then you got to see. Just ordered a new Tesla Cayenne and got the $7,500 credit because VW still has credit. So that's what I thought. Each vendor has them. Infrastructure stocks, we'll have to see. Goldman Sachs going crypto to wealthy people. GS offering Bitcoin. Spot on sports parallel to account managers. Exactly LeBron would say, stupid question. And that's why all these clowns on Twitter, you have to learn to block them, move forward, ignore them, get with people that are great traders, get with people that you enjoy conversing with and having good discussions with, and get better. And you will get better, and you have an opportunity to be a great trader. Okay? That's what we know. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.